My name is Shalika and I'm the Executive Housekeeper at Taj, Bangalore. It's been absolutely outstanding. The institute, the learning over here is amazing. We have a lot of clarity about a lot of management decisions that we take in our work. So we get a lot of concepts has been clear to us during our classroom sessions, and it's a very interactive session that we have done. Despite it was online, we were able to get a lot of clarity on our management understanding of the business to run. Definitely, that's one thing is which a takeaway from this course that I have been able to apply is that a lot of things which we use in our day-to-day life, we get we got a clarity on that. We were able to understand why this fits in this and what kind of decision making, and it sharpened our decision making skills also. I am absolutely very happy and satisfied with this course. It's like going back to the old school of your and coming back to the college. A great experience after so many years being into the work and going back to that college life. It's just been overwhelmed. There was a warm hospitality. We were welcomed so well, and the curriculum which is given to us in these 2 days was very interactive. We made a lot of friends. There were a lot of networking that we have done. We also got an opportunity to learn a lot where we have those one-to-one sessions. Great experience.